In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails on Mailerlite. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and open your dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the left-hand menu and click Campaigns. This is where you'll create and manage the emails you send to your audience. From there, click Create or Create Campaign to begin setting up a new email. Next, choose your campaign type. For a standard email or newsletter, select Regular Campaign. After that, you can either start from scratch or choose a template. If you already have a design in mind, starting from scratch gives you full control. If you want to save time, a template can help you get up and running faster. Now you'll choose your editor. Mailerlite gives you a few options, including the drag and drop editor, the simple editor, and the custom HTML editor. If you're new to the platform, the drag and drop editor is usually the easiest option because it lets you build your email visually. Once the editor opens, design your email by adding your text, images, buttons, links, and any other content you want to include. Take your time here and make sure the layout is clean and easy to read. When you're finished, click Done Editing. After that, enter your campaign details, add a campaign name so it's easy to identify later, then write your subject line. You'll also choose the sender name and sender email, and you can add a pre-header if you want extra text to appear beside the subject line in inboxes. This step is important because these details affect how your email appears to subscribers. Next, click Select Recipients and choose the groups or segments you want to send the email to. If needed, you can also exclude specific groups or segments. This is useful when you want to target the right audience and avoid sending the message to the wrong contacts. Before sending anything, review your email carefully, preview it, check how it looks on both desktop and mobile, and make sure the subject line, sender details, links, images, and content all look correct. It's also a good idea to click Send a Test so you or a colleague can review the message in a real inbox before it goes out to subscribers. When everything looks good, click Send or Schedule. You can choose Send Now to send immediately, Send Later to schedule a specific date and time, Deliver based on time zones to send at the same local time for different subscribers, or Smart Sending, which uses optimized timing based on subscriber behavior if your plan includes that feature. Finally, do one last review and click Send Now or Schedule. If you schedule the campaign, it will appear in the outbox until it's sent. After the email goes out, open it from the Sent folder to check the campaign report and review how subscribers interacted with your email.